It was the year 1968, a time when the oceans, vast and enigmatic, decided to claim their own secrets. In the span of 4 haunting months, the waters of the world swallowed 4 submarines from 4 different nations: Israel's INS Dakar, France's Minerve, the Soviet Union's K-129, and the United States USS Scorpion. No cries for help pierced the waves. No wreckage drifted to the surface. The ocean tightened its grasp and slipped into silence, leaving behind the faintest trace of sorrow and endless whispers of mystery. Were these disappearances chance tragedies, or did the hidden hands of the Cold War pull these vessels into darkness? This is the tale of 4 iron leviathans, lost to the abyss, and the unanswered questions they left in their wake. January 25, 1968. The Israeli submarine INS Dakar moved purposefully through the Mediterranean, a silent shadow beneath the waves. All was well as it reported its position near Crete, marking the journey from the cold waters of the UK to the sunlit shores of Israel. Then, without warning, it disappeared. For decades, search teams scoured the sea, but the Dakar's fate remained as murky as the waters that consumed it. Not until 1999 did the depths release a fragment of truth, a wreck lying solemnly between Crete and Cyprus, at 3,000 meters below. Even then, the question lingered: was it the merciless hand of nature, or the tangled web of espionage that pulled Dakar into oblivion? Minerve, France's silent lament. Just 2 days later, on January 27, 1968, the French submarine Minerve vanished into the azure waters off Toulon. 52 souls sailed with her into the unknown, swallowed in a moment as the seas turned calm and indifferent. No call for help reached the surface, no clue rose to meet the light of day. For over half a century, the Minerve remained a phantom of the deep, her story locked away beneath waves that seemed unwilling to part with her secrets. Then, in 2019, her resting place was discovered, cradled at 2,370 meters below the surface. Yet even now, the ocean refuses to speak plainly. Was her fate sealed by human hands or the unrelenting grip of mechanical failure? On March 8, 1968, the Soviet submarine K-129 embarked on a covert patrol in the vast Pacific, its hull filled with secrets and its mission heavy with purpose. 98 men carried the weight of their nation's ambitions, but somewhere near Hawaii, the silence fell, a silence that spoke of tragedy. The USSR searched tirelessly, but it was the United States that found the wreck at over 5,000 meters below the waves. Here, the Cold War turned stranger still. The CIA mounted a shadowy recovery effort, Project Azorian, to raise pieces of the K-129. What treasures did they find in her broken hull?